Redondo Beach. Thinking of moving there? If you've been thinking about moving to Redondo Beach, 3 things to know. Number 1, there's 2 Redondo Beaches, North Redondo Beach and South Redondo Beach. Critical to know the difference between the two. South Redondo Beach is closest to the beach. North Redondo Beach is away from the beach and closest to the freeways. Both offer different benefits. Number 2, it's a mix of homes and townhomes. It's a great place to create that opportunity for quality of choice. Whether you want to live in a townhome and have more square footage and something a little bit newer, or you want that single family home with a yard, it's made up of both. And third, check out the school systems. The school systems have been continuing to rise over the years, and the rankings are still very high. So if schooling is important to your children, or a school is important for your resale value, the schools are rated excellent. Check it out. We look forward to seeing you in Redondo Beach.